In this video, we're going to be using the definite integral to find the area under the curve. Now, you've seen one of these before, but I just wanted to run over this one really quickly because it's something that you learnt last term. Y equals 1 on x, so that's our particular function here. And we want to find the area under the curve between 1 and 4, like between, or that shaded area between the x-axis and the function. Now, I'm using y equals 1 on x because you should know that that integrates to y dash equals ln x. Oh, sorry, the integral of this equals ln x. So that's what you should know. So first of all, finding the definite integral. Now the area of this curve is going to be equal to the definite integral between 4 and 1 of 1 on x. So that's what we're dealing with here so far. Now, when we integrate 1 on x, we're going to get ln x. And again, we want to find the area between 4 and 1. Okay, so so far it's pretty straightforward. You integrate that and then you put it in brackets between 4 and 1. Now, the next step is to sub 4 into this and then subtract 1 substituted into this. So the area is going to be equal to ln 4 minus ln 1. Now you should know from your log laws, first of all, I'll just rewrite ln 4. You should know that ln 1, the logarithm of 1 is always equal to 0. So ln 4 minus 0 is just plain old ln 4. Now you can type that into your calculator and get an answer, or you can go with this exact answer, ln 4. So the area under this curve is ln 4. Area equals ln 4. Let's just find the decimal answer so we can see what it looks like. Okay, and the decimal answer is about 1.39, something like that. But just giving your answer as ln 4 would be equally as correct here. Now you've really got to practice these. I know that it looks really simple, but some of us have had trouble with integrating things like 1 on x. Some of us have had trouble with integrating e to the x, and some of us have had trouble integrating trigonometric functions. Now you could be asked any of those questions. So for instance, you might be asked, just get rid of that, you might be asked to find the area under the curve. Oops, that's supposed to be a trigonometric function. When y equals 2 sine 3x, whatever, plus 4. You might be asked to find the area under that curve. You might also get asked to find the area under the curve for something like this. Y equals e to the 2x plus 4. You might get asked to find the area under there. You might also get asked, and we just did one then, 1 on, 3x plus 5. You might get asked to find, that'll look something like that. You might get asked to find the area under that curve. It's very important that if you had trouble integrating trigonometric functions, exponential functions, or logarithmic functions, that you spend a long time practicing these and making sure that you're integrating these correctly as you go. Okay, so that's my rant over. This is using definite integrals to find the area under the curve. Integrate, put it in brackets, subtract, sub in the numbers into your functions and subtract one from the other, and you're finished. There is some more complicated stuff, but we'll cover that in another video.